Hi guys, welcome to another video. So I've had a PR package turn up from Born Pretty. Let's have a little look what the scent, shall we? We've got a Born Pretty Jelly Nude Gel. We've got a Born Pretty Reflected Glitter Gel. And we've got 3 more colours from their Silky White Series. These are amazing gel polishes, guys. They apply so nice. So these ones come in sealy bags. Then they're also sealed as well. So you just rip that off there, like that. Like that. And then these ones are plastic wrapped. On the back of the box, you've got how to apply, expiration date, 3 years. Really nice long expiration date on them. Ooh, that one looks pretty. Look at that. That looks a really pretty one. Can't wait to see what that's like. Ooh, and it shines a different colour as well. Can you see that? Oh, I bet you're not going to be able to see that. Oh, look at that, guys. Ooh, well excited to see what that one looks like. So I'm going to get these all unpacked and then we're going to get them swatched. See what they look like. So let's check out this Born Pretty Reflective Glitter first, shall we? So this one is FBS03. Ooh, that is so sparkly. Well sparkly. Look at that. So sparkly. I like that it's got some transparency to it as well. So you could use that as a topper over a colour as well. I like that. So I'm going to show you what that's like after 2 coats once I've cured that. And then that's what it looks like after 2 coats. I like that. So that's what it looks like with the flash on. Let's see what it looks like with the flash off. Still super sparkly. Super sparkly. And with the flash on. Gorgeous colour. So cure that for 30 seconds. Next one is Born Pretty Jelly Nude Gel. BPJN04. I really like these jelly nude gels at the minute. I'm liking them for doing peekaboo nails. That's a nice nudie sort of pink, isn't it? I like that. So I'm going to show you what that one's like after 2 coats. And that's what it looks like after 2 coats. I like that. That's my kind of ideal nudie pink sort of colour. I like that. You can see it is still nice and sheer. I think if I was to apply another coat of that, it would probably near enough give you a full coverage colour. But it's not what I actually want it for. I want it as a jelly nude. Pretty. I really like that colour. I can see me using that a lot. So now we're on to the Silky White Series. This one is CG014. Ooh, that is a gorgeous pale yellow. Perfect for spring. Yeah, I like that. Look at that coverage as well, guys. Perfect coverage. One coat. Like I said earlier, these Silky White Series gel polishes are really, really nice. And we've got CG052. Oh, wow, look at that. Stunning colour. Wow, absolutely love that. That is so pretty. Love that. And then lastly, we've got this one, which I'm so excited to see what it's like. CG106. Wow, this one's weird. I like it though. It's got all sorts going on in there. That is stunning, guys. Look at that. You're not even going to be able to see what I'm seeing, I don't think. Look, can you see all those different colours it's changing to? And again, you could put that over any other background colour and it's going to look different again. So you can use that as a topper as well. So we'll see what that's like after 2 coats as well, shall we? And that is what it looks like after 2 coats, guys. I really like that. That is so much prettier to the eye than what my camera's doing it justice. So much prettier. Ah, nearly should. I wonder if I get it out of focus, actually. I think you can see it better. Yeah, can you see that golden shimmer? See, that's what I'm seeing mixed in with that beautiful white iridescent tiny hex. You still can't see what I can see. Oh, it's so pretty, guys. That is such a shame I can't show you what I'm seeing. Oh, it's stunning. Absolutely stunning. Oh, please show it. It seems to show it when the camera wants to go out of focus. Let me try and get the camera to focus on that gel polish. Can you see that? All that beautiful golden shimmer. It is so pretty. That's weird, isn't it? Why when the camera's not focused on it, it shows it better. Honestly, guys, that is such a beautiful, beautiful gel polish. I love that. So I'm going to give that a cure for 30 seconds. Oh my goodness. Look at all these gorgeous colours. They are all beautiful, aren't they? I'm really happy with this Nude jelly gel. I can't wait to use that. I've already got an idea in mind for that. This light yellow is really pretty, but I really love that pink and this one as well. I really, really like that. I just wish you could see what I'm seeing with that one. You can kind of get an idea of it there, but it's still so much prettier than that. It's just so, so pretty. I love every single one of those. So that's them all swatched. And I'm going to do a design using some of them in one of my upcoming videos this week. So keep your eyes peeled for that video. I'm going to leave all the links to everything that I showed you today in my description box below. Don't forget, you can also use my 10% off discount code as well, guys, which is GG10. It's always in my description box down below. I'll also pin it in my comments as well. That's everything, guys. A nice quick one today for you. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.